Hi, welcome to Socially Minded and video 3 of a 3-part series on how to upcycle your cans. So let's grab a hammer, your big nail, your smallest can, and let's poke some holes in the rim. This will create a luminescent effect for what will be your candle holder. Next, choose a bigger can, some masking tape, and create your design. In my case, triangles. For clean lines, make sure that your tape edges are sealed tight. Once you have taped off your can with your design, it's time to fill in the shapes. In my case, I used acrylic paint I already had on hand. The goal is not to buy anything new. So see what you have laying around before you start shopping. Paint in your shapes and have fun with it. Make sure that you let the paint dry in between coats. I usually give it about 3 coats for great coverage. Choose another large can and switch up the design. In this case, stripes. Keep in mind for this project you can use any paint. Spray paint or old house paint will do. Now back to your little can. Create an even line with your tape to cover up the holes you created earlier. Give it several coats, and once the paint is completely dry, peel off the tape and voila! And there you have it. Once the paint is dry and the tape is removed, you have these cute centerpieces. Customize yours however you want. Happy crafting! Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos on all things socially minded.